Bullish star map book cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.01 by 2030. Market experts accept map book could reach $0 2025. Bearish star map book market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Star map book presentation. NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's monetary potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following influx of computer games is Star Chartbook. Star Chartbook is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Map Book players investigate the huge drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain components with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Chartbook? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Chartbook. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, arrange, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Map Book will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their remarkable resources. Each component in Star Map Book is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Map Book game's universe is tremendous, and players should go out on dejected, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Map Book ongoing interaction in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or unite as one and make decentralized independent associations to run over specific regions. Players procure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Map Book totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Specialized investigation, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Chartbook cost expectations in different variables. It is a technique for inspecting the market using pointers, exceptionally made instruments. Financial backers and dealers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or effective money management. Specialized investigation is normally founded on authentic data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to estimate what is probably going to occur. Specialized investigation is the examination of resources utilizing specialized pointers. It is a method for investigating the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and dealers utilize this procedure to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is at times established on authentic information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Major investigation is a complete strategy that requires an exhaustive comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, fathoming macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation systems, and having the option to decipher monetary archives are important for performing essential examines. Moreover, it by and large purposes freely accessible information, like an organization's past income and overall revenues, to estimate future development. Star Chartbook current cost. Star Chartbook is at present worth $0. Chartbook has moved 0.69% as of now with an exchanging volume of $465,537. Star Chartbook is at present positioned 591 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $20,976,863 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Star Map Book to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Star Chartbook market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Star Map Book value expectation 2023. Star Map Book, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Chartbook cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Map book is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star chart book value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Star map book cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of chart book will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the chart book's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, chart book will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star map book value forecast 2025 on the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0. Chart book might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Chart book is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Star map book value expectation 2026. Assuming that star map book effectively helps market feeling among digital money aficionados, the map book coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, chart book will be green in 2026. The chart book is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Star map book value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the chart book cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027, with a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, map book has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Star map book value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that chart book figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help map book needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star chart book value expectation 2029. While map book is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 1 cent and a yearly cost close above 1 cent in 2029. Star chart book value forecast 2030. By 2030, star map book will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 1 cent and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 1 cent, averaging out at 1 cent. Star map book value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme chart book cost in 2031 is projected to be 2 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 2 cents. And present-day innovation is utilized in Star Map Book, a vivid crypto gaming experience with astonishing visuals and imaginative ongoing interaction. The game not just requests to players who are as of now mindful of blockchain and